exactly yesterday some Zarme people.
We are going to lay a new pipeline and install a new tank so that we get sufficient water here, because basically we don't have sufficient water to be distributed here. And whatever allegations are there regarding people direct connections on the line, that we are going to take on priority, we are going to sort it out. And if there is any excess water anywhere, some people getting a continuous water, that we are going to investigate and divert the water. And moreover, I think we have to take care of all the operators to see that they do their duties properly and sincerely, without any, without any extra favor to certain areas. So there should be a uniformity of the distribution. And other thing what I would like to say is that we have to be a little more sensitive to the people. And I think with that we can sort out half the issues. And one thing I can assure you that as far as I am here, I'm going to do whatever possible now with the department to see that this situation is improved. Only we may require some time because our procedures are very lengthy. A couple of months, so by the time it's the end of the season, end of this monsoon, we should be able to have we had told yesterday, I checked up, the pump is okay, but there's low voltage. You know what happens? I believe that normally the voltage is about 400 LT supply, but when this irrigation puts on their pumps for that local distribution, the voltage dropped to 330. So right now, before I came here, because you told me this yesterday, when I came here now, I bought a person, and that person is already on the site to fix up an AVR, which will regulate that voltage. The 330 will be brought down. And he told me it will be available within a couple of days. So he's going to see there, we'll see the specifications, and maybe within a week we'll put a AVR, which will give the proper supply. Even if the voltage drops, we'll get a proper supply to the pump, and we won't have to stop the pump. It's not the pump. Pump is okay, but it's the voltage.
But your operators are telling to the villagers.
They may not be knowing.
Size of the pipeline is a long-term effect. Short-term, they have to see that the pumping is done more than the time required, about 6 or 7 hours, and then they will get water. But the line is small, that's why it's taking time. You have to change the size of the pipeline and increase the size of the tank. That's all.
And sir, their second.
It's a long term, and now they have to see that the pumping is done properly. It can be changed, but if there is no water, what is the operator going to do?
Okay.